Hello everyone, welcome back, and today we're gonna learn how to do some beatbox. This is our first week of learning how to beatbox. We're gonna just do some of the basics. First things first, we're gonna learn how to do the bass drum, which is the drum that you use your foot to hit down and makes a really bassy sound. So you're gonna use the letter B. You ready? B, 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 B. If you want, you can also add in a little boot. So it's really important when you're beatboxing that you keep your lips nice and tight like you're playing the trumpet. So it's and then we're gonna just add those little bits in. So we go so we're keeping those nice. And now we've nailed the bass drum, we've got to get the hi-hats. So to do that, we're going to use the letter T. Ready? And then if you want to make it a little bit better, you can add a T and an S. So you're going T, S. So it's let's give it a little practice. You ready? We're going to go. Yeah! Woo! Okay, our final letter that we're going to use with our basic beatboxing is K. So you can go. And that's how we get our little snare drum on the side. So it's going to go. So breathe in and go. Nice. Right, so now we practice all of those basic moves. We're going to add them all together. So we're going to start with just a. Or if you're starting right out, we're going to go. Yeah, so we're using the B and the B, and we're just adding them together, and we're building ourselves a little rhythm. So now we've got that basic rhythm going with our beats, 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 beats. We need to add in a little bit of the hi-hats, a little bit of the other noises. So we're gonna go beats, 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 beats. Yeah? Let's go. You're gonna do it with me then. Ready? Beats, 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 beats. Yeah, that was nice. All right, now we're gonna add in that snare. So the beats, beats, beats. Once you've practiced all those sounds a little bit and you put them together, you can just flow with it. So we're going. As you saw there, I like just throwing some sounds that make me smile. So you might go, or you get a basic. You're just getting a bass wobbler in there. Takes some practice, but just throw in any noises, whatever makes it fun for you. Are we ready? We're gonna have a little last beatbox. So we're gonna go for about a minute. Get it going. Make sure you take lots of breaths in, and you get your noises going. Ready? Right, now it's your guys' turn to freestyle, so let me hear you. Ready? Let's go. All right, guys, that was amazing. Send me any videos if you do any. Let me know if you want any more sounds, then I can make some sounds, or I can help you make the sounds that you want to make. So let me know your favorite songs, and I'll hit up some beatboxes to them if I can. All right, peace. Bye.